Good one, guys. See one there, one here, one there, one here. There's a little bomb. That's the main one. Back. Trying to see how you guys look over here. Can't really tell. Hope it looks good. We'll know later on. I'm sure this one looks good because I'm on it. So get a nice walk in, nice quiet walk. That's what the little bug do his work. That's what we're here for. And the evil turn. Okay. The little bob. I got the other lens on that one too, so this is gonna be a wide lens day, I guess. I don't know. And it looks like you're turning over there. Give me a second. You're not really too secure on camera too. There's the sun. I'm hoping it's not getting you guys. That's what I want to do. Look at that, look at that, look at that. But my head gets it. My head gets you guys. My head gets you guys. There's the little bomb. It's going down there. Sorry, little bomb. Hold on. All right. Shadow. Get him. Don't lick it. No, don't lick it. Don't. Hey, no. He's licking it. There you go. That's where I want to see. He's licking it. Sorry to see that, but I didn't see anything because he was looking somewhere else. I gotta try to figure this out. Give me a second. If I put it lower, I can see. Otherwise, breaking in my head. Okay, we're done. That's what it's about. Yeah, I can't see it's there. Okay, there it is. Yeah, that's there. Definitely the sun's there. Definitely the sun's there. The camera keeps wanting to turn to the right, and I have a feeling I know why. My head keeps hitting it. Boom, boom, boom. See, turn. Boom, turn. Turn. Now it's good to look. See, I just have to get something. Little Bob. The little guy. Maybe you guys should go reverse. You guys should see how we look from the back side, huh? One front view, one back view. What do you think? One front view, one back view. You want to see a little about pissing though, but oh no, I can't do that because it's gonna fuck up the camera. I think I already did watch. No, it's still on there. It's still on there. It's still on there. Got the white, you don't need too much. Oh, you kind of effect like that. What's going on? Sorry. Trying to get you guys again. Nope, see? Okay. I'm gonna go right back. That one's working like that, kind of. There we go. I wish I could see what this one's doing, because this is the front camera, so it's actually looking on the screen, so I can't see it. And that one's looking behind me. See, so it's looking that way. And yes, it is fucking cracked because that one keeps falling down, so that's why that one's up there. I don't give a fuck about that camera anymore. As long as the lens part of it don't get messed up, it still records nice HD. And it can fall down as much as it wants. Okay. So I think I'm gonna try to put you guys sideways now because we already recorded, but I know people are gonna hate that because we're gonna have to turn the phone too. So, whoop. There we go. All right. Now let's get the little bob again. Maybe I should turn you guys around. Ah. Guess what? I gotta get out my crap bag. Because we do pick up our crap. And he did crap. So you're gonna have to come over here so I can pick up your shit. You gotta come over here so I can pick up your shit. Yeah. Alright. We gotta get this guy's crap. We gotta pick up the backpack. You guys are gonna be on the ground. I don't know how else to get you guys. Pull out his damn. Okay, hopefully both you guys are recording the same thing. So, pull out this damn bag here because he craps right now. You're gonna have to hold your horses. You gotta hold them. You gotta hold up because you messed up and couldn't wait till we get to the river. Now I gotta open this fucking bag, which I can't figure out, but it's beyond me. There it goes. Alright. You guys gonna watch me do the nasty. Take it. You can see it? Alright. Well, maybe you guys just show a little bob while I could do the nasty. Let's get some rocks over it. And then let's scoop it. And it's golden. So we want to dump this at the kids' school. I don't know. What do you think, guys? Yep, you guys stay there. You stay there. So we are gonna go dump it. Because I don't want to carry this one, but I just started my walk. And I have no idea where this next fucking thing is. Oh, hold on, sorry. Okay, one's recording that way, so that would be pretty cool. Alright. I have no idea where the next trash can is. And it was a mound. It's a mound. Oh. That's looking pretty good. Your guys are inside my count pack right now. So one's on top of the other. Looking pretty cool. I don't want to record the school name or what's going on. That was what I was afraid of. See that shit? Shit is shit. It's full. Okay. Alright, we got a little ball so you can see him over there. I left him over there in the chain on the leash, but it's locked. See, I got my other phone taped on there. I don't want to break this fucker, so I don't care how it looks with the little camera filter. So you're right below right here. There he is over there waiting. But I think I am going to cut it short because I have been exercising, believe it or not, and weight training. So I am actually sore. My calves are sore. Okay. Hold on. Are you guys going back up? Hold on. Oh, you know what? Give me a second again. Let me kind of adjust you because I want to try a little something, something. I want to see how this works out. Even though I think you're going to be upside down now, I have a feeling. Actually, let me stop.